Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening your document and saving a backup. This prevents accidental style loss. Once done, click the Design tab on the ribbon to expose themes, colors, fonts, and effects. You need a visible page layout, so make sure you're in draft or print layout to preview changes correctly. Now, scan the themes gallery for broad presets. These presets change multiple elements at once, which is why you select a theme before tuning individual colors. Next, you'll customize the color palette itself. Click Colors, then choose Customize Colors to open the palette editor. Change accent colors and the text/background entries to control headings, body text, and links. This is where you affect readability and brand consistency. After adjusting, give the set a clear name so you can identify it later, and press Save. This stores a custom palette in the Themes gallery. Make sure to test contrast on both light and finally apply the new theme to the document by selecting it from Design Themes. This updates styles globally, which is faster than manual edits. If parts of the document don't reflect changes, check for direct formatting overrides in Home Styles. Directly formatted text can block theme updates. To fix that, clear formatting or reapply the normal or heading style, then reapply the theme. If problems persist, reset the theme or open a fresh document and import styles to isolate conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.